If you want to play with numbers in JavaScript in development or production mode, I will show you a more readable format. Say for example, if you can using the number something like this. See, it's not more readable, right?
How about a magic trick?
You can also use underscore for overcome this problem. You can use something like this. Same for y. See, it won't give any problem. You can also use this as your production mode. But definitely you need a digit after the underscore. Say for example, if you are using something like this, it will throw you error. Remember this trick for while you are developing the code. Thank you for watching.